back again on KY 104.2 with my weekly rundown of the 18th Ronnie's rules. Ronnie's rule number one: blank rulers. Sure, no one breaks them, but that's what makes them cool. Ronnie's rule number two: buy Quest on Penny 9 and 3 for 5 white euro. They come $5. It will escort you down a beaten road. Then get ready to watch the best animal sacrifice of your life. That being said, I have to point out that animal sacrifices are listen to my rules and know what to do with yourself, then do yourself. Listen in next week for the next set of running rules. Running 104.2. On a ride with Laser. Ready? Happen in the physical realm. It happens in the realm beyond the veil. Anyway, last night I used my favorite
अच्छा अच्छा